Thanks for joining us today, Danny at American River Ace Hardware, and today we'll be going over removing a strip screw or possibly preventing your screw from stripping if you have to take any components off your Traeger. So I'll be starting with the screw that is in question, and right here, if you can get in there, you can see a customer has rounded the head off of this guy. Most of the screws that you'll encounter with the Wi-Fi model grills will have a rivet nut attached to the panel. So they're going to be a machine screw versus a sheet metal screw, which means in order to get that, you'd have to drill and tap it out to the next size if you weren't able to salvage the screw coming out of it, or at least salvage the threads of the screw coming out of it. If it's a sheet metal screw, you'll simply just go to the next size sheet metal screw and it'll make its new home in there. Now the first thing I go to is, I always use an impact driver. It actually helps prevent screws from rounding out. The hammering really helps break them free before the twist like a screwdriver might do. But if you get your impact driver in there and hold it, you get a good enough feel on it, a real tight grip, and push in, you can usually break them free without doing any more damage or having to tap the hole out. So whichever the situation that you might have fallen into, your local Ace Hardware probably has the tools to get you out of the jam. The new screw, a tap, drill, and of course your Milwaukee impact driver. M18, only way to go. Father's Day's coming. Hi, this is Danny at American River Ace Hardware, and thanks for watching our video. I know it was short and it seemed maybe a little obvious, but I do get calls on it constantly for rounded off heads and how to fix them. That's just how to avoid them and clean out the heads again and get a lot of pressure in there. Impact drivers make a huge difference. Thank you. Have a good day.